Most people think becoming a millionaire requires picking the right stocks or getting lucky with one big investment. But when researchers study how everyday people actually become millionaires, they keep finding the same pattern. It's usually not one investment or one brilliant strategy. Instead, it often comes down to consistently using 3 specific accounts that quietly build wealth over time. And if someone invests through these accounts steadily throughout their working life, the same 3 accounts that my wife and I use, the math can begin to work so strongly in their favor that becoming a millionaire becomes far more achievable than most people realize. So today we're going to break down these 3 accounts that have quietly created millions of everyday millionaires and how they work together to build real wealth. Hi, I'm Greg Hardy and welcome back to the channel, and thank you for being here. We cover all things personal finance, investing, and building a secure financial future. So if you're serious about taking control of your money and also learning something new every week, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really helps the channel and gets this information to more people who need it. Thank you. The first account, and for many people it's the most powerful, and that is the 401k. This is the retirement account offered through your employer, and it comes with one advantage that's very hard to beat: free money from your employer. Many companies offer what's called a match, and for example, that might include a match for dollar on the first 3% that you contribute, and then 50 cents on the dollar up to 5%. That means when you invest part of your paycheck, your employer is also putting money into your investment account right alongside you. But the real power of a 401k isn't just the employer match, it's the automatic investing. The money is invested every time you get paid, whether the market is up or down or somewhere in between. You're investing when the economy looks strong, and you're also investing when the headlines say that things look uncertain. But over time, this removes a lot of the emotion from investing and replaces it with something far more powerful: consistency. That consistency creates something incredibly important: decades of steady contributions. So instead of trying to time the market or guess the perfect moment to invest, the money simply goes in over and over again. Year after year, those contributions begin to stack on top of each other, and the growth starts compounding. So what may start as a few $100s per paycheck can eventually grow into hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars over a working lifetime. One mistake that some people make is stopping at the employer match. Getting the full match is a great first step, but if your income increases over time, gradually increasing your contribution can make a huge difference. Even small increases, 1 or 2% more each year, can significantly change the outcome over 30 or 40 years. For many people, the 401k becomes the foundation of their entire wealth building plan. The second account is the Roth IRA, and this one is one of my personal favorites. A Roth IRA works a little bit differently than a 401k. With a 401k, you usually get a tax break today. With a Roth IRA, it's the opposite. You pay taxes on the money before you invest it. But once the money is inside the account, something very powerful happens. Your investments grow completely tax-free. That means as your investments grow over the years, you don't owe taxes on the gains inside the account. And when you eventually reach retirement age and start withdrawing that money, those withdrawals are also tax-free. Think about what that means over decades. If your investments grow significantly, which is exactly what long-term investing is designed to do, you could potentially withdraw hundreds of thousands of dollars without paying taxes on that growth. Another reason that Roth IRAs are so valuable is the flexibility they offer with the investments. Inside the account, you can invest in a wide variety of things like index funds, ETFs, individual stocks, or dividend-paying companies. Many investors use their Roth IRA as a place to focus on long-term growth investments because all of that future growth stays shielded from taxes. And just like the 401k, consistency matters more than the amount you start with. Even smaller contributions made month after month can grow into something substantial over time. Someone investing $400 per month into a Roth IRA for 30 years could end up with more than $450,000 completely tax-free. That's the power of long-term investing. Steady contributions can quietly grow into something significant over time, and when that money eventually comes out tax-free, it becomes one of the most powerful tools in a long-term retirement plan. One important thing to understand about these accounts is that they don't all work the same way. Both the 401k and the Roth IRA come with annual contribution limits. For example, a 401k allows you to contribute up to a set amount each year, and a Roth IRA has its own yearly limit as well. Those limits exist because the government is giving you tax advantages, so they cap how much money can go into those accounts. That's where the brokerage account becomes so important. A brokerage account doesn't have those same restrictions. There are no contribution limits, no income restrictions, and no rules about when you're allowed to access the money. You can invest as much as you want and withdraw it whenever you choose. That flexibility makes it the natural next step once you've taken advantage of your retirement accounts. For many people, the strategy becomes pretty simple. First, contribute enough to your 401k to take advantage of the employer match. Next, invest in a Roth IRA to build tax-free wealth over time. And then, once those accounts are working for you, a brokerage account becomes the place where you continue investing and growing your portfolio without limits. When these three accounts are used together, they create a very powerful system. The 401k helps build long-term retirement wealth. The Roth IRA creates tax-free growth. And the brokerage account adds flexibility and unlimited investing potential. Over time, that combination allows normal people to steadily build significant wealth, not through complicated strategies, but through consistency. Now, here's where things really start to make sense. These three accounts aren't meant to compete with each other. They're designed to work together. The 401k helps build long-term retirement wealth, often boosted by employer contributions that accelerate your progress. The Roth IRA adds another powerful layer by creating tax-free growth, which can become incredibly valuable decades down the road. And the brokerage account provides you with flexibility, allowing you to continue investing and building wealth without the restrictions that come with retirement accounts. When you step back and look at it, these accounts form a simple system. One account gives you employer support and automatic investing. Another protects your future growth from taxes, and the third allows you to keep investing beyond contribution limits and access your money whenever you choose. Each account serves a different role, but together they create a balanced approach to building wealth. And systems are powerful because they remove guesswork. Instead of constantly wondering what to invest in next or trying to predict the market, the focus becomes much simpler. Keep contributing, keep investing, and keep letting time do its job. Over decades, that steady approach can produce results that look extraordinary, even though the process itself is surprisingly simple. One helpful way to think about these three accounts is to treat them almost like stages in a financial system. The 401k is usually the starting point because of the employer match. That's essentially guaranteed return on your contributions. The Roth IRA often becomes the next layer because it gives you long-term tax-free growth. And then the brokerage account becomes the place where you continue investing once those other opportunities are already working for you. When people follow this kind of structure over time, something interesting starts to happen. Instead of wondering where their next investment should go, they already know the order. Money flows into the system automatically. Investments continue to grow, and the focus shifts from trying to be clever to simply being consistent. And over long periods of time, that kind of steady approach is exactly what has quietly built wealth for millions of investors. Here's something important to understand. Most millionaires didn't get there by chasing complicated strategies or constantly trying to beat the market. In reality, many of them followed a much simpler path. They invested consistently, stayed patient during market ups and downs, and avoided making emotional decisions when things got uncertain. Over time, that steady approach allowed their investments to grow quietly in the background. The real advantage wasn't brilliance, it was time and consistency. Small contributions made year after year can begin to stack on top of each other, and eventually the growth starts compounding. Early on, the progress can feel slow, almost unnoticeable even. But over decades, those steady investments can turn into something surprisingly large. None of these accounts are magic on their own. A 401k, a Roth IRA, or a brokerage account won't automatically make someone wealthy. But when they're used consistently over a working lifetime, they create a system that makes building wealth much more achievable. And the best part is that this system isn't reserved for professional investors. It's available to almost anyone willing to stay consistent and patient. One of the biggest advantages you can give yourself financially is starting earlier than you think you need to. The sooner money begins working in these accounts, the more time compounding has to do its job. That doesn't mean you need to start with huge amounts. In fact, most people begin with fairly small contributions. What matters far more is building the habit of investing consistently and gradually increasing those contributions as your income grows. Over time, that habit becomes more powerful than any single investment decision you could make. And the encouraging part is that this path doesn't require perfection. You don't have to invest the exact right amount every month or pick the perfect fund every single time. What matters most is staying in the system and continuing to move forward. Over time, those steady decisions start to build momentum. And years later, many people are surprised by how far those simple habits have taken them. Now, if you found this video eye-opening, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who you think needs to hear it. And if you want more practical, no-nonsense advice on building wealth and securing your financial future, then check out this video here. And also, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.